There is 34% more inventory on the market in Annapolis over last year, and home prices are up 11% year over year. It's Friday, August 22nd, 2025. I'm Kimberly Barton, broker owner of Kinetic Realty, Maryland's boutique brokerage. This is the weekly Annapolis Real Estate Report. Annapolis remains consistent for homes going under contract and selling. Days before a seller goes under contract is also fairly consistent, though the list to sold ratio dipped below 100% this report. Homes for sale fell 4.5% to 201 units this report, to a median $749,500. 21 homes are coming soon. 36 homes went under contract in 9 days. 31 homes sold for 98.9% list to sold ratio in 10 days, with a median sales price of $663,000. 17 homes sold in zip code 21401 at a median $710,000. In 8 days, 9 homes sold in zip code 21403 at a median sold price of $459,000 in 24 days. 1 home sold in zip code 21405 at $1,825,000 off market. 4 homes sold in zip code 21409 at a median $425,250 in 4 days. There are 49 homes for lease at $3,000 median dollars per month. That's your wrap for this week's Annapolis Real Estate Report for Friday, August 22nd, 2025. Thanks so much for tuning in. There will not be a market update next week, but I will see you in September. Enjoy your weekend. Take care.